Hi, I'm Landon Bushing, your local listing expert. We're right here in Fishers, Indiana. We have a brand new listing coming live to you. I'm really excited to show you this. Check it out. Here we are, our current newest listing, 9821 Worthington Boulevard. This property is a 3-bed, 2.5 bath property. What I think you're gonna really love about it, it's been updated from head to toe. Come on, let's go on a full tour. Here we are in our kitchen area. Throughout this property, there's been some pretty big upgrades throughout it. Number one, we've repainted the entire property head to toe, so it's going to give a nice fresh feel. In the kitchen area specifically, some of the upgrades were new hardware, new kitchen sink. Also, this has brand new trim and a brand new sliding glass door. Check that out. Here we are in the primary bedroom. As you can tell, throughout the property, it's had a lot of fresh, upgraded feel. It's got that nice gray, cool feel to give it that new modern touch feel. As you can tell, throughout the property, we've updated the hardware. Something about this master I think you're just gonna love. It's been completely redone. A new shower, new countertop. Go check that out.